Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to change the engine air filter of Acura MDX 2016, and it's located here in the side. As you can see, there are tabs in the sides over here and one in the back, so you just have to tap it like this. Yes. Pull it up. There's the engine air filter. So just take it out. This is the old one. See how dirty it is. And this is the new one. This is the new air filter from Honda or Acura. This is the original part. So you just have to put it inside like that. And then put back the tabs. And in the side too. Alright, that's it. That's how to place the engine air filter the right way. Thank you.